James Kaufman, World News Report today, January 6, 2025. God bless you and yours, no matter where you are in the world. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, ring that bell for critical future updates. Marco Rubio comments on the UFO and UAP activity in our skies. There seems to be way too many I don't knows or we don't knows. Quote, the biggest story in human history. Marco Rubio, the new Secretary of State, confirmed that high-ranking Pentagon officials have revealed the U.S. government has recovered UFOs. He called it the biggest story in human history. Are we on the brink of first contact with non-human intelligence? Or could this be a deep state psyop? B, a carefully crafted great deception to manipulate us. I want to hear from you, my incredible followers. What do you think is happening? Let me know in the comments below, please.
You're on the Foreign Affairs Committee and you're really involved in foreign affairs. There have been a lot of articles lately about UFOs. I know this question is a little out there. Is there any truth to any of this?
Well, we don't know. All I've said is we have people that have very high clearances, both today and in the past, who did really important work for our government, or continue to do important work for the government, who have come forward with some claims about the U.S. having in the past recovered exotic materials, and then we reverse engineered those materials to make advances in our own defenses and technologies. That's the claim they make. Now, I don't know if those claims are true or not. What I do know is that one of two things is happening here. Either they're telling the truth, and that is something that obviously would be the biggest story in human history, or we have people in really important positions of government who are crazy and who are out there making up stories and who are still in positions of importance. Either one is a big problem. So we've got to figure out which one of these two it is, because the second one in particular will be very troubling. But all we know is claims that people have made. These are credible people that have done and continue to do important work for the country. And by law, we're required when they come forward as whistleblowers to take their claims seriously and to investigate it. But we just don't know.
That's the answer. So a U.S. Senator and our next Secretary of State still has no idea where these UAPs, UFOs, drones are coming from and what's going on in our skies every night. Completely ridiculous, folks. All anyone would need was a decent infrared setup to see exactly what was going on. Why isn't the U.S. military scrambling jets to the locations where these drones, UAPs, UFOs are being spotted? That's the real question here. Are they China's or are they the U.S.'s? Either way, we want answers now. Please share, subscribe, and always remember, anything's possible. Bizarro world.